Let's talk ETH USDT right now. As we know, there was a major sell-off and we got this huge wick to the downside just a few days ago. This has happened on Friday. We came down as low as $3,400, and since then we've recovered about 20% of that. Just as many people were thinking, you know, this is the end of the bull market, it's the start of the bear market. Well, prices are pumping, and I want to talk about ETH specifically. These are the key levels. This is where you should be buying, if you should be buying. Let's get straight into this one. Hit the like button. Let's go. ETH, before we talk about price, just know that the ETF is still being bought. Fidelity came in yesterday, $154 million in Ethereum. And we saw $4,200 break for Ethereum just earlier today. What does this mean now in terms of where the price can go? Well, what it does mean against Bitcoin, first of all, before we talk about USD, in terms of Ethereum price, Ethereum is now back above the resistance level that Ethereum broke out against in Bitcoin. So this is ETH gaining price against Bitcoin. It wicked down beneath it in that huge liquidation wick we saw on Friday, where the Ethereum price went to $3,400. But now we're retesting that support, that previous resistance, back as support. This is really bullish, not only for Ethereum, but for altcoin season. And as we look at the Ethereum price on the weekly chart, the structure changed, but the plan hasn't changed. Look at this. We are still very much supporting this major level of the tops of resistance out as support. And this really does give us that opportunity to go higher in price and taking us in this direction of this 250-300% breakout, which in my opinion, at the end of the bull market, whether that's the end of this year, early 2026, still can take us way beyond $7,000. And if you look at this ETH chart, which is the daily chart, you can see that the level that is supporting right now is $3,500 to $3,800. This is the support level that you're seeing in this chart. It's holding. Yes, we wick beneath it, but we're back above it and we're holding. So if you look at this chart, going into the 4-hour time frame, you can see that the super trend indicator that I like to use has turned bullish. So I've opened up a few long positions, and if you want to open a long position on Ethereum, I suggest to do it on 𝗿𝗡, because right now you can get a free 100% position airdrop. What does this mean? If you use the link down below in the video description, this link here for 𝗿𝗡, what it's going to allow you to do is when you deposit a minimum of $100, you can get $100 for free. If you deposit $500, you'll get a $500 position, and so on. If you've got more money, then great, you can get a bigger deposit bonus. 𝗿𝗡 is a really good exchange. It's fast, it's easy to use, it's secure. So link down below to get your bonus, and check it out in the description down below. But what I want to draw your attention to before we end the video, I am opening more positions as I see this indicator turn green on more time frames. So if we go into the 1 hour, it's green. If we go into the 4 hour, it's green. And by the way, on 𝗿𝗡, you just go to indicators, type in super trend, and you can find it. And this has given me a high win rate and very profitability trades over the time. But on the daily, we're in the red. Bear that in mind. But if you go into the weekly chart, we're still green. So as long as this is green, I'm bullish. I'm bullish on the weekly, I'm bullish on the 4 hour, on the 1 hour. This is how I know when to open a long, when to open a short. Just follow this super trend chart when you go on to 𝗿𝗡. Use your deposit bonus after you've made your first trade. Follow the trend, and you're going to beat 90% of traders. Simple as that. Guys, if you want to learn more about trading, check out these videos I made. It's a free beginners bootcamp series, and I'll see you on another video very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.